YouTube. So if you haven't guessed what I got, it's a wheelock NS, and I'm gonna do a strange unboxing for you right now, so I don't feel like going in right now. I'm gonna open it from the bottom. I don't want to share my address with you guys. Now, God, where the heck? I don't have keys with me. Can I borrow your keys real quick, Harris? Just slit it. Okay. I think you need to get it started. This is some thick tape, guys. Okay, I got this, Harris. Alright, now just going brittle on this thing. Dear God, people. Sorry you can't see anything right now. God. What is with all this tape? Well, anyway, here we go. You haven't guessed what it is? It's a wheelock NS. And here we are. My beautiful wheelock NS. How do you change the volume on these? To prevent electrical shock, do not remove this cover. No user serviceable parts on side. Well, anyway, I'm going to end the video there, and I'm going to take a look at this wheelock NS more in depth, and I'll get a video of it up later sounding. Alright, bye YouTube.